This is probably a sign of these people being bought out to go here. They're just sitting. There were rallies, they should be standing by the stage. What we're doing. Business is brisk for this.
Gustong sabihin, uulitin nyo. Promise? GMA resign! GMA resign! GMA resign! Salamat po.
Bishop Oscar Cruz. Ngayon po ay mag-reflect muna tayo ng malalim upang yung lakas natin ay magsasangin at sabay-sabay tayo sa pagkilos bilang sambayanan.
Those going against the administration. Sorry.
Maraming salamat po, Panginoon, sa mga mensahe na ibinigay niyo sa amin. At ngayon po, ay sama-sama kaming manalangin at magpayag, Panginoon, dinggin